Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to show you how to set up the best shipping rates for your e-commerce website in Wix. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is come to your site dashboard. Next, let's go down to the settings. Now that we're in settings, we want to come to shipping and fulfillment. And on this page, you're going to notice that we already have domestic and international selected and turned on. If we select edit shipping rule, we can actually adjust the settings for each of these. As of right now, they are both set to free shipping. However, if you want to change it from free shipping, just click this little drop down and you're going to see several different options. You can choose a flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price, rate by product, and USPS calculated rate. Now, if you plan to use USPS, this might be a great option if you're inside the United States. However, what I would probably do is apply a shipping rates for groups of products. Okay. Then what you would want to do is create a group, and we'll just call this one small products. Now a little window is going to show, and it's going to show you all of the products that you have. Now what I would do is for these small products, I would make sure that they're set to small products. But let's say this one is a little bit bigger. So let's create a new group and we'll call this medium. And let's say we also have some that are large. So we'll create one for large. Okay. And then we'll just make sure they are all in the right groups, and we'll go ahead and press done. Great. Now that we have our groups created, now we can actually create the prices for these. Now, in order to actually get the rates for these, I would take it to UPS or a FedEx or any other local shipping store, and I would ask them for both the domestic and international rates for shipping the smaller products, the medium products, and your larger products. Now, when you get these rates, you can go ahead and put them in right here. So maybe the small products, it costs $5.99 to ship them, maybe $7.99 for the medium, and then maybe $10.99 for the large products. And the cool thing here is you can actually offer free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount, and you can also set that amount. So let's say they spend $150, then you can offer free shipping. And then on top of that, you can actually change the name of this shipping option, and you can also estimate the delivery time as well if you would like. Now below that, you're going to see some advanced settings. Let's say someone buys several of your products, some small, some medium, some large. What you can do is apply a group rate to each product in the order. You can apply a group rate once for all products ordered from a group, or apply the highest group rating once the entire order, or to the entire order. This is what I would choose. I would choose apply the highest group rate once just for the entire order. That way I can just ship one singular box to this person and save them money on shipping. And below that, if you wanted to add a handling fee to every order, you could also do that. But now we are done with the actual shipping. If we scroll down, you're actually going to notice a local delivery and local pickup. For local delivery, let's go ahead and press add local delivery. And the cool thing is you can set a radius. So let's say you want to do like a 5-mile radius. So what you would want to do is put in the area for your store. So let's say you do LA, then you can set the actual address of the store and set a 5-mile radius. And then if someone purchases it for local delivery from your store, then you could actually deliver the items yourself. Now below that, you can actually set the time. So this could be same day, 1 day, or 2 days. And the rate could be whatever you set. Hopefully it would be cheaper than actually using UPS or FedEx. And on top of that, you could also do local pickup, basically in-store pickup. So if we add local pickup, we can put the store name, the store address, and then below that, you can actually set when they can actually pick it up and instructions for doing so. Now, if you have a physical location, I highly suggest you do local pickup. Not only does this save you time from having to get your item, package it, take it to the store and ship it, but it also saves your user money. So this is definitely something where if you have a local physical store, then I would definitely set this up. But once you're done with domestic, we can go ahead and press save, and then we can go into the international settings. And just like we did before, we're going to press this little drop down. We're going to do rate by products. It's going to have the same groups that it had from the domestic one, but here we can actually set the international rates. So before it was $7.99 for domestic, maybe it's $12.99 international, $16.99 for medium products, and maybe $22.99 for large boxes. And once again, you can offer free shipping for products over maybe $200. And then down below, there is also local delivery, which is grayed out because obviously international means it's not actually near your location. but there's also local pickup. But once you are done with all the settings, you can go ahead and press save. And now you're basically done setting up shipping for your e-commerce store on your Wix website. That basically wraps it up. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.